Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
How are you?
I'm great. I can't believe how this room has transformed and that we're sitting on this floor, because the last time we were here, it didn't look like this.
Oh, right where you were standing or sitting is where I was picking up the tile that was all slimy, had the crud growing on it and snapping in half.
Right.
You're sitting on the same floor.
It was
right
muddy, it was wet.
Yeah.
And look at this. This is really nice. So talk to me about this flooring.
Well, what we've done here,
options.
You've got a concrete floor, and that concrete floor has a tendency it's going to breathe moisture. So we've been able to put down an underlayment of this product here that is a vinyl surface, but you can see the grid pattern here will allow air movement.
Okay.
And it'll also allow water flow. Let's say something happened. A plumbing leak. It happens. Things happen. Hot water heaters break in a house.
Or the storm of the century.
The storm of the
right?
century. Something really bizarre.
Mm-hmm.
It will allow the little bit of moisture to traffic to the sump pump. It'll also let that concrete breathe. And it also acts as a really nice little project that I can just kind of snap these together, and I can put the carpet on top of it. And it's an underlayment to protect that carpet. And this was the carpet. When you peel off the plastic, it's got a nice little tacky back.
Oh.
You set it on top of it. Voila. You can't even tell that this is
No, I was going to say,
you didn't know, did you?
No, I did not know that there were squares of carpet.
No.
I don't see any seams.
No.
That's awesome. And you know what? I'm sitting on the floor and it's not cold.
No, it's very warm.
So if you had kids.
They'll be laying down here with the video controllers in their hands.
Yeah, they will. This is great. Very comfortable. John, thank you so much.
No problem.
Appreciate it. We'll see you next time, everyone.